I'm Noemie Cruz Orcutt. I practice in Mason City, Iowa at Mint Springs Dentistry. The course was great. I loved all the practical information from the initial visit to the delivery of smile design for patients, patient communication, all the practical tips that we gathered. I loved having the staff around. They were very helpful, also answered questions that will help me going back and communicating with my team from the aspects that I gathered from their team. So I'm excited to bring that back. Actually, I've been getting messages from colleagues while I have been here asking, how is the course? And I absolutely recommend it. It goes over all the clinical aspects that we might have learned in other courses, but they put everything together and streamline it so we can actually implement it in our practice when we go back on Monday.